The kitchen is the heart of every home, and a quality skillet can be the cornerstone of a versatile culinary experience. This Greater Goods 10-inch cast iron skillet, a high-performance, organically pre-seasoned pan designed to enhance your cooking adventures. Whether you're a home chef or an outdoor cooking enthusiast, this skillet promises durability, functionality, and health-conscious cooking right out of the box. Why now is the time to buy? The Greater Goods 10-inch cast iron skillet is more than just a pan. It's a long-term kitchen companion. Its organic pre-seasoning, smooth surface, and superior heat retention make it a standout choice for anyone who loves to cook. Add its versatility and lifetime warranty to the mix, and you've got a skillet that offers unbeatable value. Key features that make the Greater Goods skillet stand out. 1. Organically pre-seasoned for healthier cooking. The skillet comes pre-seasoned with 100% organic flaxseed oil, ensuring you can start cooking immediately without worrying about synthetic chemicals. This organic seasoning not only provides a naturally non-stick surface, but also promotes healthier cooking by reducing the need for excessive oils or sprays. 2. Smooth milled surface for superior cooking. The skillet's smooth milled surface offers unparalleled non-stick performance, even when cooking delicate foods like eggs or fish. This thoughtful design eliminates the roughness often associated with traditional cast iron, making cleanup a breeze while delivering evenly cooked meals every time. 3. Exceptional heat retention. Designed for optimal heat retention, the skillet ensures consistent temperatures for frying, baking, grilling, or searing. Whether you're preparing a perfect steak or evenly browning cornbread, this skillet maintains the heat you need for culinary perfection. 4. Versatile for indoor and outdoor cooking. This skillet thrives in virtually any setting: stovetop, oven, grill, or campfire. Its rugged construction makes it perfect for both indoor kitchen adventures and outdoor escapades, whether you're camping, tailgating, or hosting a backyard barbecue. 5. Ergonomic handle for easy maneuvering. The skillet features a sturdy, ergonomic handle that ensures a secure grip, even when the pan is loaded with heavy dishes. The thoughtful design allows for smooth transitions from stove to table, making serving a seamless experience. 6. Lifetime warranty for long-term confidence. When it comes to durability, this cast iron skillet is built to last a lifetime. The included lifetime warranty is a testament to its exceptional quality, giving you the confidence that it will withstand years of culinary adventures. Why you'll love the Greater Goods cast iron skillet? A skillet that grows with you. Unlike non-stick pans that lose their coating over time, cast iron improves with age. With proper care, the seasoning becomes more robust, enhancing the non-stick surface and adding flavor depth to your dishes. Versatility meets convenience. From fluffy pancakes to sizzling fajitas, this skillet is your go-to tool for a wide variety of recipes. Its compatibility with different heat sources makes it ideal for any kitchen or outdoor setup, providing the flexibility you need for creative cooking. Eco-friendly and sustainable choice. Choosing a cast iron skillet like this one is a step towards sustainable living. Its organic pre-seasoning and durable build ensure that you're investing in a product that's as kind to the planet as it is to your cooking. Practical tips for using the Greater Goods skillet. 1. Season regularly. Though it's pre-seasoned, periodic seasoning enhances the skillet's non-stick properties and longevity. 2. Clean gently. Use warm water and a brush for cleaning. Avoid harsh soaps that strip away the seasoning. 3. Dry thoroughly. After washing, dry the skillet immediately to prevent rusting. A quick heat up on the stovetop can help. 4. Store properly. Store in a dry place and lightly oil the surface to maintain its condition. Conclusion: this Greater Goods 10-inch cast iron skillet is more than just cookware. It's an investment in quality, versatility, and sustainability. Its organic pre-seasoning, smooth milled surface, and exceptional heat retention make it a standout choice for any cooking enthusiast, whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or preparing a gourmet dinner. The skillet's versatility for both indoor and outdoor use, combined with its ergonomic design and lifetime warranty, ensures it will remain a trusted companion in your kitchen for years to come. If you're ready to elevate your cooking experience and enjoy healthier, tastier meals, this skillet is a must-have. Don't wait. Experience the difference today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.